countryside from where farmers used to, these landlords, they used to get the farm product and they used to export it, or the government used to export it. So there was no demand for these agricultural products. So countryside, the landlords, rich peasants, they started suffering financial problem because their good was not being sold. Agricultural prices began to fall from 1926. The prices of the agricultural product, they started falling by 1926. Demand for agricultural goods failed. So it also, the agricultural product was not demanded. So it prices fell down. Okay, so these were the international or external reasons for the decline of non-cooperation movement. Further, the third reason was Simon Commission in 1928. Simon Commission, it was formed by Sir John Simon in Britain. Okay, why it was formed? To look after the functioning of Indian constitutional system. But sitting in Britain, they used to look after the Indian constitutional system. They used to look after the Indian constitutional system. Okay, what they did, they suggested some measures, what to do, what not to do, and all that. But it had a drawback that it didn't have any single Indian member in this commission. So obviously the Indians would get angry on them. So finally, when this commission arrived in India in 1928, it was greeted by the Indians saying that Simon, go back. Simon, go back. This is how it got the treatment. And who led this protest? It was led by Lala Lajpat Rai, but finally he had to die, or he died in that protest because lathi charge was applied by the police and the colonial government. Lala Lajpat Rai, he died in this protest, in the Simon Go Back protest. Thank you.